Hello! We're going to the Glatan People's Park. I feel so sick, Ma. What the fuck? No, there's a sick player. Get out of here. Get out. Get out of here. Get out. Signal number 3. No.
Sanay na.
Tikit, nag-tikit. Ballerina cappuccino. Hello! Nandito na kami sa City of Genetrias People's Park.
Wow!
Okay, now kasama ko si Stella, si Kylie, at yung mama ni Kylie. At yung So, wait, let's go to the tree house. No, it's called the elevated place.
Akyat sila dyan. Tapos doon sa may ano. Limited to 10 people. And 2.
Nandito na kami sa hanging bridge.
No, it's called... What is called?
Elevated Nature Walk.
Okay.
Ooh, this is nice. Hello! Did you not read the sign? Warning! No running! And warning! Capacity limited to 10 people passing each time. Capacity limit to 10 people passing each time. Okay, let's go. Capacity limited to 10 people passing each time. Do not sit or climb on the railings. Because dangerous, yeah. I'm scared. Back away from me. You can't leave me behind. That's just rude. For me, she just... Stop watching, Father. I can't see. I'm so slow. I'm so scared for my life. And you're just like, yeah, chill. We just go. I don't... Let's go back.
No, it's not the end.
It's not that dead end. There's like a... It's sunny. It's so pretty. It's sunny. So what? People out there. No.
Yung mga kittens lang ang nag-ano.
Bye, People's Park. Bye, People's Park. And bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tita, pwede laro kami dito ni Stella at Carly pag hindi kayo busy dito sa DV Mart. Thank you, Tita Rochelle, sa cheeseburger.